Anne here, and thank you for stopping by my channel. It's freezing. We just had a blizzard outside last night, and I was looking for something fun to do that would keep us inside. And I was reading this magazine, Women's Day. This is the December 1941 issue. And I found a recipe for spiced apple candy, which sounded really cool. From reading the recipe, I wasn't sure if this was going to be a jelly or if it was going to be a candy, and it seems to be a gelatin. So I guess it's getting the gelatin from the candies. It doesn't really seem to be making a hard ball or anything like that. So I think this is as thick as it's going to get. And you can see it kind of sits on top. I'm gonna set it aside to cool now. It's not completely cool, but it's colder than it was, and I'm just gonna pour it in before it gets too cold and won't come out of the pot. Okay, now I'm gonna let it cool until tomorrow. So I let this dry overnight. I had it lightly covered with some cellophane. And it has a consistency of kind of like fruit snacks. I'm gonna be using these cookie cutters. I couldn't find ones smaller. I wish I had ones that were a little bit smaller than those, but this is what is going to have to do.
Thanks for watching. If you like history, cooking, and keeping up with everyone's favorite time-traveling cook, please like this video and subscribe, and do be sure to check out www.worldturnedupsidedown.com for full recipes and other interesting historical things.